I'm so sorry. I'm taking forever, and I just lost 2 more people because, like I said, there aren't many people that are wanting to stay on YouTube when there's like other things that they can watch. But don't worry, when I get more people that want to stay and I get big, then I will, you know, get more people. I'm gonna move on to a different doll. So have you heard of the Love series of dolls? I've never heard of it before, but this one is supposed to be Anike, formerly Wande, because I found a doll. She's from the Barbie Look series, and I love this packaging. Just look at that, and I love the background. And I'm gonna get this open. But Anike is a music artist. She's a Christian music artist. So is Patrina DeLacy. I love Patrina. And I don't know. I really happened to like her music, and I wanted to get her. I wanted to make a doll version of her because I saw on Everything Dolls, Kelsey made like different. Is that right? Yeah. Kelsey made different Barbie dolls. Like she made a Taylor Swift Barbie doll, an Ice Spice Barbie doll, lots more people. But I'm making Christian Barbie dolls that look like that are like people that are like rappers and music artists and stuff. I'm getting her loose. And I'm going to upgrade in the future to like the Teresa doll, which is 600 something bucks. And I'll upgrade in the future, so that way I can actually make that doll that looks a lot more like her than the Illy doll. I really do like the Illy doll though. Okay, so the Love are limitless. They're endless possibilities. Unique. You are one of a kind. And vibrant. We can do it with style and grace. And this doll's name is London. Once I finally find out where this little thing is connected. It kind of does look like an ink egg. I feel so bad for these dolls that their hands are all like trapped and stuff. And I hope someone else gives another like to this video, because I'm down to that one person that liked it. And in the beginning, I had a lot more people on this live. Okay, now I got the doll out. Okay, I got the doll out. This one is supposed to be Anike, the rapper, Christian rapper, with Reach Records. I think that she has a Reach Records contract. And here's the doll. She's love. She does kind of look like Anike. She does. And then she has these shoes. You can take them off there. It kind of reminds me of like, I don't know, it's really fashionable. It kind of reminds me if she was like a gardener or something. But, let me see. I can take off the boot. These shoes are removable, I'm pretty sure, once I take it off, which is taking forever. Okay, I can't take off the shoes, but I can tell you about another outfit for this doll, London, which I'm going to call Anike. And there's another outfit. I'm going to dig in my bag and get the other outfit for the doll. Now, this is London's other outfit. My parents got me another one. And I am just obsessed with this packaging. The black lining, everything about it. I wish the lighting was better in here, but it's really pretty. And I'm going to open it. This is probably a lot easier to open than the first doll, where I lost a bunch of people on the live video because I was taking forever to open it. You know what? I'm not even just going to save this packaging. If you guys feel like I should save the packaging, you know what? It doesn't matter, because I'm going to lose more people on this if I take forever to open it. And then I'll just be like doing just a YouTube video that like no one will watch. Okay. Let me see if I get it free. Just lost 3 people. You know, I should stop talking about the people that I lost and the people that I still have. You guys that are still on here, you are nice. You are amazing. You're amazing people that are still watching. Because you couldn't click off on this boring video, which might not even go anywhere if I can't get this box open. You guys could click off, or you could support me and just, like, keep watching. Yes, and then I gain more people. Everyone that is joining this video, I just dropped something. Another one of the Rapunzel shoes. Everyone that is joining this video and doesn't decide to click off because it's boring, you guys are nice. You guys are really nice.